Look at this, guys. I want to show you what it look like here in the ocean. Oh my god, so windy, huh? There,
You want to walk out with it?
I crawl here, honey. I go here, I crawl.
Oh, don't go. I don't want to lose you.
You go poop it.
It could collapse and break down.
There it is.
It falls right off. Look at over there. You can see it over there. It's like a foot, 2 foot down.
See the background, guys. Nindot guys, ha. Ah! What's this place here?
Where we are now?
Yeah.
Pedro Verdes.
Pedro Verdes. There's the map.
I bet you can get a place over here pretty cheap though.
Yep. It's 4:46 p.m. We're in California. We're just driving around. What's look like here? This is the beach. Look at that there. Nice. There is the ocean. You cannot see the beach. Ta-da! It's clip there. Cannot see it. It's clip. Okay, go back.
I think the road they shut it down.
See Philippines.
OJ's got good eyes. You see it?
See the Philippines, RJ. Where's mommy came from, RJ? Philippines.
I see it.
You see it?
It's a brown dot.
Funny,
Philippines is
RJ.
now dot.
No, that. Okay. So far.
Rich homes mixed in with cheap homes.
Yep.
But even these shacks here, they look across the.
Yeah. Maybe this here, honey, cheaper.
I doubt it. You can look, Pedro.
But next to the ocean, that make a high price. Closer to the ocean. Look at this here, nice. Nice view, a mini big palm tree. Hi guys, we are in the middle of nowhere of California. I not know what's this name here. Look at this, guys. I want to show you what it look like here in the ocean. Oh my god, so windy, huh? Here is the ocean. It's so clear here. Look at that there.
You want to walk out with it?
I crawl here, honey. I go here, I crawl.
Oh, don't go. I don't want to lose you.
You go poop it.
It could collapse and break down.
There it is.
That's why this is here. Don't cross. Look, green.
There it is.
That just falls right off. Look at over there. You can see it over there. It's like a foot, 2 foot down. And look, there's Catalina.
Yeah, there is.
Oh, it's a big island.
There, windy. See the waves, so big waves here in California. Not like in Philippines. Only have storm, have big waves. There is the view. Yeah, that's it. Dreamland in California. So expensive.
We don't know now. I never checked. look. Is that North Korea? South Korea?
I don't know.
The flag.
There is a view. Oh no, it's so hilly here. Look
Yeah.
at this, so high. My goodness. No, it's not dead end.
Oh, look, you see the whole harbor. now.
See, wow, look at this view. We go out again.
Yeah, look at that. Oh, wait.
What?
We go over there?
Okay. Come here to, honey. Have binoculars. Here we go. Look at this view. And we here again. We look at the view. What's look like here? Okay, there is the view. Wow, big. Yeah, we're here in the highest point. Wow, so windy. My hat is cold down. See the background, guys? Nindot guys, ah. Oops.
Let's see the island. You see it?
No, I not see. All the
All Long Beach Harbor.
Long Beach Harbor.
Yep.
Wow, so nice, ah. Yeah, maybe that I cannot see. Have a big boat, look. A big boat, I see the big boat. Look like that, honey. Not the Iowa, that there. I not know. Look like a boat or ship. I cannot tell.
It's close to that bridge.
Yeah.
It's too low.
Ah, there is the bridge, the green bridge. There, so far away there. So there. Cannot see the battleship. Yep. This house. There is nice house. Was this house or condo? That's condo, that honey? Apartment?
Yep.
No, trying Kelly down and up, down and up.
Rolling Hills, this whole area. There's a house.
There's a house for sale.
With the view. That's what I was saying. That's what I said. Right? I have to look on Zillow up at Palos Verdes. A lot of millions. I looked one not that long ago.
Oh, there's the view. Oh my god, I cannot see.
Watch for 25th Street. It's coming up. 27th. That light. 25th. Yep.
There is.
25th. LA waterfront, they call it now.
Yeah, there.
Just that that sign was the same as the other sign. Now we look this, you run into Palo Verdes. Here's this for sale sign.
For sale. You want a house? I'm here.
It's no frill home. Look how big they are. Like 12,000
my god.
12,000 square foot. An ocean view. Up on a
So
cliff.
big house.
You
Huh?
like that you got it free?
Yup, we
Not
like.
on a mountain?
Yeah, we like that it's free,
And
RJ.
it's not like on stilts where it's going to fall
Yep.
down, a cliff.
Yep,
It's far away from it.
at that house there.
This is where some movie stars live.
Yeah,
There
it's
are
the
some-
famous.
There are some here. Can't see the other side, but there's houses along the cliff there too.
Mommy,
Yeah,
you was on the
Sea cliff. got a golf course.
Look at that house.
It's even nicer here. You're closer
House
to the water.
there.
You're not on a cliff. Look. It's a
$1 million
water.
house. At the beach.
Finally, some old houses.
Yeah. But million, still million, that even old.
Yeah, because of the location. There's lots of houses down there by the water. There's a smaller cliff there.